fuck out some commas. Let's fuck out some commas, yeah. Let's fuck out some commas. Let's fuck out some commas, yeah.
Hello and welcome to Top Abandoned Places. Today we're at this abandoned chicken farm in Monmouth. This place does not look safe. I'm gonna go in anyway. See what happens. Dude, this place looks terrifying. Literally, this place looks so terrifying. These sheds haven't got long till they get pulled down, so it's gonna be. There's not much in here. It could be potentially asbestos. Doesn't look like there is, but you never know, do you? So I'm just covering my mouth just in case there's any asbestos. It does not look safe in here, but looks like some people have chucked rubbish in here. It's literally falling apart. Been burned a little bit with it. Now we're outside again in the fresh air. See a little bit of electrical wiring. That dog. Here's the dog. Here's the dog. There's not too much to see in these sheds, but trying to be a bit careful. Don't know what the hell. Looks like this. Some old. I don't know what this was. See, there is a little shed there. Looks like some sort of water tank or something. And valves. What kind of tank? It's a door. Not too easy to get into them, but they scratch on my legs, so no. Let's find another way in. There's no cameras around here. What's that sound? I hear that sound. Flammable liquid. Gone. Destroyed. I can hear dogs. A bit skeptical about that. What's in here? I don't know if there's much in there. Frightening in here. All vents. Hello? Hello? Look at that fucking shit, man. That scared the shit out of me. Scared the absolute shit out of me. What the hell was that? This place is fucking haunted, I swear. Hello? Nothing more than you can see. I'm getting out of here. I'll see you back in a minute, guys, alright? Alright, so we're back outside the sheds again. Making our way back towards the house. Right towards the abandoned. You know, it's not just anything, it was something quite spooky. Alright, thanks. See ya. How's that? Okay, so I just started filming again. Weird sound. Oh, it's a hot air balloon. No way. That scared me for a second. Oh. It's like all radiator. See people in there. See you guys in a minute, alright? Fan's still going round, look. Sheds haven't got long to still it's on down now. So I'll see you when I get to the house, alright guys? Right, so I've come to the main entrance of the house. Doesn't look like you can get in. I might try. But well, that's inside. A bit sceptical about asbestos, sorry guys. I don't have my mask yet, I will get it sooner. There's too much broken glass around. And doesn't look that safe inside the main house, but I can film around for you guys. Can't exactly film much more of this. I definitely will get this footage up for you on YouTube. You can see the entire house from here anyway, so as you can see, it's our little household items. So I'll have to charge the battery. I haven't got much battery. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.